What is Zapier?
Zapier is an online tool that lets you connect your favorite apps and automate repetitive tasks, all without needing to write any code. By linking services like Gmail, Slack, and Trello, you can create workflows called Zaps that save you time and keep your work organized automatically.
How does Zapier work?
Zapier operates using triggers and actions. A trigger is an event in one app, like receiving a new email in Gmail. When that trigger happens, Zapier performs an action in another app, such as sending a Slack message or creating a Trello card. This hands-off automation streamlines your daily tasks.
Setting up your first Zap.
To start automating, sign up or log in to Zapier. Click Create Zap. Choose your first app and set the trigger event. Then select a second app and define what action will happen. Test your Zap to make sure it works, then turn it on. Now your apps communicate with each other automatically.
Popular Zapier workflow examples.
Some common Zaps include sending a Slack alert for new Gmail emails, adding Trello cards for new calendar events, or saving attachments from emails to Google Drive. The options are nearly endless, letting you customize workflows to fit how you and your team get things done.
Tips for effective automation.
Start small with simple Zaps before building more complex workflows. Regularly review your Zaps to make sure they're still relevant. Take advantage of built-in Zapier tools like filters and multi-step Zaps to fine-tune your automations, making your work life smoother and more efficient.